Come on, Jorge.
Come on, Jason. Come on, bud. Gotta work that thing.
Whoa.
Up.
There you go. There you go.
More than one. Throw more than one.
Doesn't matter, Jason. Come on. Come on, Jason.
Buena. Buena.
Nice. Reach that. Come on, counter it. There you go. Follow it up. Work now. Come on.
I think that is hurt me.
Back ahead. Come on.
Nice. Abajo, abajo, arriba. Abajo, arriba. Bueno. Ahora arriba, arriba.
Work now. Come on.
Buena.
Let him go. Come on.
Come on, let's do it, Jason.
Buena.
To the right.
Hands 8 feet. Throw pass.
Throw another kick.
Work in.
Circle.
Circle
Do that
away.
again. Throw a
To
little
the right.
bit.
Go.
Give me back.
Time.
¿Cuál es tu posición?
Ready? Let's go. Push up. Center mid, guys. Nice and clean.
Nice. Follow it up.
Corey's gonna come with a head kick soon.
Gotta get busy, Jason. Work. Work.
Head kick, Jorge.
Work.
Throw a head kick now. Tell him throw a head kick. Whatever, you know, whatever language. I'm not trying to say
Go,
anything,
body.
but you said head kick and what kind of language you speak? Spanish. Yeah. Oh, it is? Yeah. Oh. That's Jorge. Tell him head kick in Spanish.
All right, stop. Break.
Tell him head kick.
Patada a la cabeza.
Let's go. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Abajo arriba, Jorge.
Come on.
Está bajando las manos, patea la cabeza.
5 segundos, Coco. 5 segundos. 5
Go,
segundos.
go, work.
5 segundos.
Patealo,
5
patealo,
segundos.
patealo.
5 segundos. 5 segundos, ya.
Stop.